Hello everyone, in this video we are going to unbox this small card holder which can be used with the newer phones like iPhone and Samsung. So let's check it out, and you can see it is actually multi-purpose, so it's quite nice to have on your phone. It is also very thin, as you can see, so it will not bother you to carry it along with your phone. So let's see what kind of features it has and how many cards you can take with you in this one. So first of all, let's see how many cards we can put. We can put one from this side, and this usually can be your elevator card. And one is enough. You can stick even more, as you can see, but for the ease of use and taking it out, I would suggest using only one card here. And then if you have more, and for example, if you have some bank cards, you don't want them visible, these you can keep inside like this here. So you can take up to 3 cards with the normal use, and like I said, you can put even more, but 3 cards are advisable. So you can see here, so it does not become too thick. And you can see here how easy it is also to pull them if you need to use, or you can also tap like this. It should work like that, you don't even need to take them out. So let's see now what are some of the features using this magnetic one. You can stick it directly to your iPhone. As you can see here, it will stick, it will not slip, and you can put it in your pocket directly, and it is pretty firm. As you can see here, it will not fall down, but I'm not sure if you are putting it in the pocket, probably then it will slip from the putting itself. But other than that, other than putting it on your phone, the other very useful feature is this. You can use it also as a phone holder. So like this you can put it, and you can see now how practical it is if you want to watch some movies like this, or even the portrait mode. It will help you with your phone. So how cool is this? It is multi-purpose. It is very cheap. It is also very stylish. It is like a real letter. So if you like it, you can order it from the link below. You can use it also with the Samsung phone, and here I have this Pitaka case which has magnetic holder, and actually for this one it is even more strong. I can feel it, it is much stronger than on the iPhone itself. So with this one I'm pretty sure if you stick it like this and you put it into your pocket, it will not be removed because it is pretty firm. As you can see here, this magnet is very strong, so it can work even with the case if you have magnetic support here. So that one is also pretty good. And that will be all for this video. Until next time, assalamu alaikum, may peace be upon you.